it's me, Bree. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing this beautiful Sunday? It is a crisp 3 billion degrees outside. And I'm thriving. Basically, my life is kind of crazy. We have had a lot going on. If you're running, okay, imagine you're running, okay? Someone punches you down. Wow, that was freaking rude. Like, okay, I'm done with that. Let's just move on. And then someone kicks your ass. Why? And then you get up again and you trip and fall, just like, and then repeat that like 800 times. That's where I'm at. I got knocked down, but I get up again. You're never gonna keep me down. Let's start from the beginning. I am a mother of 4. Me and my husband, we're working people. We like to go work. Now, let me tell you about childcare in the United States. It's freaking insane. So, we had childcare. Didn't have childcare. Childcare is an issue. You put your kids in childcare and then they're gonna get sick, and then the childcare provider is gonna be like, huh, they're sick, you can't bring them. And then you're like, well, they got sick there. So, help me. Long story long, I don't have childcare anymore, so I am a forced stay-at-home mom. Hello, hi. I don't like it, but I'm here. I don't do the best mentally when I am home for a long period of time. I just get very overwhelmed and I basically get burned out and shut down. So I think I'll have a whole video on like ways to cope with this monstrosity of being a stay-at-home parent when it's like not your vibe, because let's be honest, like what is this? This is not living, this is surviving. I've kind of gotten a daily routine throughout the week that is pretty sustainable in my opinion, but every once in a while we're gonna need to reset. We got our Sunday reset and we are going to do a bunch of different things within the Sunday reset. Let's get into it. First things first, we have to wake up and feed the kids breakfast. Unfortunately, these little monsters eat like 700 times a day. However, they don't actually eat. They like make you make food and then they look at it, yell at you, and don't eat the food. And then 45 minutes later say that they're hungry again. I might be too much in a mood to like film this at the moment. But here we are. This is reality. We're living, we're loving, we're laughing. Right? We just finished breakfast. I had a plate of breakfast and I almost am done with my water. Look at that. Let me just chug it. After breakfast, I really like to have the kids go downstairs and have playtime until nap time, just so that they can get out their energy and get away from me. As much as I would love to go back to bed right now because the kids wake up too early for my liking, I know that it will be better if I do the dishes. I am going to just start cleaning the dishes. I'm gonna unload this bad boy. And then, of course, we gotta fill her back up. If you are the type of person who really likes their dishwasher put perfectly, done correctly, like there's a will, there's a way, there's a system, don't watch this. Skip to the next part. This is gonna bug the crap out of you because there is no will, there is no way. I throw it in. I don't even rinse most of it because it's gonna come off in the dishwasher. And I live by that. I do the dishes and I clean the floors and I clean the counters every single day, 300 times a day. However, I feel like there's stuff getting stuck in nooks and crannies. Little things are getting shoved by little people. So it's time to just clear out. There's a sparkle in your eyes. I feel the warmth of your skin. Just the touch of your hand. This is the perfect time of the video to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Juliana really wants 1 million subscribers. So like, if you're not subscribed, you're really just like breaking a 6-year-old's heart. How could you do? Juliana! Make a sad face. Look what you did to her. You're not subscribing, you're making her sad. Come be sad too. Come be sad too. And you're not commenting? Cry. Look what you did. Look what you did. Tell them you want 1 million subscribers.
I want 1 million subscribers.
Keep that toothpaste on your nose. Oh, please do not jump. 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 Come cry. Summer exposes me as the Caucasian that I am. I am constantly red. Mom! Mom! I'm gonna clean my floors and I have to talk to you about this Bissell Crosswave. Absolutely obsessed. It is such a great way to be able to clean hard floors with gremlins because they're not only going to spill everything on the floor, then they're gonna dump water onto it. So I needed a vacuum that could fit my needs, and that is the Bissell Crosswave. You have kids, you know, right? That's why I'm staying there. What? Monster? Monster? There's a monster?
I know, yeah, Bella turned into a monster.
Monster! Go fight her! Go fight her! The reason I freaking love the Bissell Crosswave, it's able to do dry and wet, and that with kids is like so necessary. It has 2 options for like having it on the rug and the hard floor, which is like so great. This room has our carpet and the hard floor, so it's perfect for in here. Go kill it! Go kill the monster! It also has a refillable cleaning solution back, and then all of this comes apart so it's super easily washable. I like to do a dry vacuum and then I go over again wet so that I can dump like the plastics and the things that can't go down my sink into the garbage first.
They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time?
Okay, so this is why you want to do like a dry and then a wet, because there could be like plastic. There could be like plastic in here and you don't want to put it down your disposal, so I just like... So all the plastic is like out of there, so I'm going to do a wet mop now. Yucky! Yucky! I have Lysol mixed with water in here.
They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us.
I don't think it would be perfect unless I like mopped or like got a rag. And we have some paint situation. Like, I didn't really want to keep this floor, so we kind of just got paint everywhere instead of like covering. Anyway, another thing I really love, I'm sliding all over. It comes with this little base, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay, so you put it down on the floor, and then it has these like wells for the wheel and the spinner. Plop it in. So you turn it on, and then you let it spin in there, and it cleans the brush and like this little tube inside. I like to personally elevate that just a little bit by using like dish soap, and then I pour water into the base. So it like has to circulate through that and suck it all up, but it cleans the brush better in my humble opinion. So that's what I do. This is absolutely the worst part about this vacuum, and that's cleaning the internal system once you're done. So here's the container. You can see like the dirty water. So now we're gonna get bottles, and we're gonna go shower. We're gonna get bottles in the shower, and then no. Now that I've got the whole kitchen clean, it's time for a bath because we gotta get these stinkers to nap. A bath really helps them calm down, and they were out for hours after that bath. It was wonderful. Let's go to my room. It's time to take care of myself. I kind of do loads of laundry throughout the week, and then I put them in the dining room, and my husband brings them upstairs because I need to break it up into chunks. It's just like, it doesn't stop. I have to break tasks up into smaller tasks. I dread laundry. I don't do dressers. I don't hang things up. My children have one Rubbermaid container each. Underwear, socks, pants, shirts, pajamas, whatever it is, gets thrown in the box, and they can deal with it there, because I physically cannot sort it, fold it, put it away. To have them rip it out 5 freaking minutes later, it's mind-numbing how annoying that is. So I came up with this system. I think I'm a genius. I think I deserve a Nobel Prize. If you'd like to contact me, my link's in the bio. This is a sustainable lifestyle. We have to sustainably be able to handle the 4 gremlins. I'm sweaty, I'm dirty, I'm stinky, I'm taking a shower. Just had the best shower. I use this new shampoo and conditioner that I've been loving. It's Monday. I got it at Costco. It's pink, and then I use my Olay collagen peptides. Smells so good, love it. And my glycolic acid cleanser for my face. I just wanted a simple rinse, so face still wet. I'm gonna throw on my hyaluronic acid, vitamin B and C serum. I do 2 drops of the serum on my wet skin from the shower. You want to always use hyaluronic acid on wet skin. So easiest way to do it, jump out of the shower. All right, that is slightly dry, so I'm gonna throw on my day cream. Same brand, trying it out. My skin's not doing the best, so I don't know if it's this or like stress, but I often see people just like really neglect putting creams on their eyes, and it boggles my mind. That needs some moisture. Sorry for whispering, babies are sleeping. Back of hands, décolleté, you know the biz, you know the. Throw on Ultra Sheer. I do believe this is the culprit that is making my makeup look really patchy, dry, ugly. And it actually might be the culprit for like my bad skin. I'm gonna try out another sunscreen, but I'm working with what I have right now, basically. Back of hands, décolleté, you know where it's at. Either we're gonna go for a walk or I'm gonna go to the gym. So I'm just gonna sport athleisure. I'm gonna get dressed and go downstairs. I've worked up an appetite cleaning and I haven't seen my husband today. So I'm gonna go downstairs, eat, and hang out with my hub. Sunday walks with the fam. What's up?
Oh wait, I did that. Alright,
Love, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, moving too bossy, we don't tread softly, but not flossy, the streets that taught me, I'm just trying to get my
Missouri skies are so much prettier than Utah skies. I can't explain it. I don't know why. Pretty.
Love, dollar bill, listen close, this is not a drill. Niggas hungry trying to get a meal. I've been in life, who gon' pay a bill? I've been.
Can anyone explain why, as a mom, when like nothing's happening, I'm always thinking someone's gonna pull over and kidnap her, and I'm too far away, but I won't be able to stop them. Do you get that weird thing where you feel like she's like that far away, right? Someone's gonna kidnap her because she's too far away and we can't stop them. Do you get that feeling?
No, I don't.
Please in the comments let me know if this is a me thing, because I think it is.
It's a you thing. Definitely a you thing.
It probably is.
It is, it's not probably, it is.
Are you worried that Bella's gonna die? Okay, well. That is my Sunday reset. I'm just literally trying to survive in a house full of 4 people who are currently and constantly working against me 24 hours a day. I'm here for you, and I make beauty content, I make life content, I make mom content. Bad Moms the movie was a person, that would be me. So, welcome to the Bad Mom Club. We love you here, and we're just trying to survive. I feel like I need a shirt that says survival mode, because that's me. Guess what? I love you. You are so freaking beautiful. I love everything about you. Your tummy is super adorable. I love you and have a great day. Bye.